Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get Ryujinx emulator. So this is all Switch games. You can do Pokemon Sword, Animal Crossing, and you can play them all on your phone. So I'm going to show you exactly how to download it. It's really easy, guys, and it's really fun. So if I press play now, as you can see, the game is launching. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it onto your device. So let's get straight into the guide. So it's super cool. So the first thing is we need to navigate to this website, guys, which is tweakmod.com. So once you're on the website, guys, there's going to be a bunch of modded apps. So just find Ryujinx and then it will start downloading. So before the download finishes, there is going to be a verification. So this is just where we have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official store, and then you will get the Ryujinx on your device. So I'm just going to wait for it to download. So yeah, this is super cool, guys, because a lot of people, are obviously very against this. They're more into paying for Switch games, but I'm not like that. So instead, I will use an emulator. So as you can see, it says right here, missing files, additional files are required. So I just have to download 2 of these. They're all free. They're from an app store. So we got like Reco Social. It says like download and play a game. So I could do that. I got Casino, DraftKings, whatever, guys. Just make sure you download 2 of the apps. That's how I get Ryujinx to your device. Play those old school Switch games. Just kidding, they're not old school games, but super cool, guys. So that's how I get Ryujinx to your device. So be sure to try it out and see you guys later. But yeah, if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm gonna see you guys in another one. But yeah, try it out for yourself, get the word out. It's super cool. There's no jailbreak and there's no computer, so enjoy.